So let's start with the programming part. As usual, we will start with our skeleton code. This is our skeleton code. First statement would be writing including header file, that is avrio.h. Then comes the main routine, and inside the main routine is the infinite loop part. We will use our flow chart to write the program. Our flow chart is: take a reading, check if light is detected or not. If no, then move forward. If yes, then stop. So first thing we will do is the initialization, that is declaring the port D where motor is connected as output pin, and port C where we are going to take input, or where the sensor is connected as input pin. So the way to do this is writing the DDR register of D and C. For if we want to set any pin as an output, we have to write 1 in that data direction register. So we have written 8 times 1s, that is all the pins of port D as an output. Similarly, we are going to declare port C as an input. So we have written this all 0 to all the pins of data direction register C. So we have declared input and output. Next comes the infinite loop part. First we will take reading from the sensor, but before that we have to define a variable so that we can put value in that. The value which we will get from the sensor we will put inside that variable. So we have defined a variable sensor. Now it is of int data type, that is integer. So next comes the infinite loop part. Will take a reading from port C and mask it so that we will get input only from one pin, that is pin C0 where our sensor is interfaced. So by writing this statement you will get input only from the pin C0, and all the other pin would be 0 no matter what is input at that time. So we will put that value inside the sensor. Next is the checking part. If no light is detected, then our robot should move forward. So inside the if statement we will check if the sensor value is 0 or not. If it is, then our robot should move forward. To move forward you have to write port D register with the value 1001 4 times 0, then our robot will move forward. If this condition is not satisfied, that means sensor is not sending 0, then it would be sending 1. For that we will write else condition, that is robot should stop. So if the sensor is not sending 0, then our robot should stop. To stop the robot we just have to send 0 to all the pins of the port D register. So in this way you can make our shadow chaser robot. Initialization, then taking input from the sensor, checking if what sensor is sending. If 0, then move forward, otherwise stop. So let's build our project. To build, click on build and build shadow chaser. Okay, succeeded, no error, no warning. So our program don't have any syntax error.